How to install 3-light Blanche brass island chandelier. Remove the fixture from the carton and check all parts and accessories. Screw tubes into iron frame. Pass the fixture wires through the chosen stems, then screw stems onto iron frame. Attach quick links to the loops of canopy and the loop of stems to connect them. Gently and carefully pass the wires through the loop to the top of canopy, and pull the wires till snug. Unscrew socket ring from socket. Place the glass over sockets and secure with the retaining socket ring. Install bulbs. LNC is always aimed at bringing home furnishings with love. We hope you enjoy your new LNC light.